Meaning of enmity.
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 Enmity. Enmity refers to a state of active hostility or animosity towards someone or something. It is characterized by strong negative feelings such as hatred, bitterness, and resentment, and may arise due to various reasons, including competition, conflicting interests, or prior disputes. The result of enmity can be detrimental to individuals, groups, or even nations, leading to violence, revenge, and other destructive consequences. Enmity can also hinder progress, create unnecessary tension, and erode relationships, making it important to address and resolve conflicts as early as possible.